every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and had a better day.
Wow, guys, look at that giant ice cream. Wow, it's completely milk. Wow, milk flavor. Hello guys, it's Adventures with Razy. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Torino, Porto Susa. So I am here waiting for a friend of mine. He's coming all the way from Chivasso, which is not far from Turin. So he's just visiting me today. I'm gonna take him around. I'm gonna show him the city here. And also I'm gonna take him to a Senegalese restaurant where we're gonna have Senegalese Jollof rice called Chivasso. Guys, so I'm still waiting for him. He will arrive here in 8 minutes. Wow, guys, can you see it out there? People are just coming out from that train, and that is to tell you that the train has just arrived. I'm now waiting for my friend. I'm sure that is the train that is coming out from. So the train's supposed to arrive here at 2:53, and it's now 3 o'clock, so it's a little bit late. Let's wait for him. I'm sure he is gonna exit from this other platform, that is platform 5. So let's wait for him. I'm still waiting. You see people coming out, people are coming out. That is tell you the train has just arrived. The train is coming all the way from Chivasso. My friend is out there. He is out there. Can you see him? The guy with the red trouser. Caramba! Inimbara. Yes, not in general. He's such a shy boy, So guys, we are at a Senegalese restaurant here in Turin. Let me show you the menu, some of the things that they really offer. Look at it, guys. This is typically Senegalese restaurant. You can see all the menu, all what they offer here, man. Look at that. That is Chivasso. So this is what we're gonna buy. So guys, we made our order and we are waiting for Chivasso. So this is Adventures with Razy. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. We're here in Turin and in a Senegalese restaurant here. We're trying Chivasso. This is the menu, and you can see it it starts from 10 euros, 7 euros upwards. Beautiful. And you can see Chivasso is it's 7 euro. But I ordered for 10 euro. Beautiful, guys. So guys, just to let you understand, Chivasso or jollof rice, it's mostly consumed by West African countries, Senegal. Wow, merci. Senegal, Gambia, and I think if you even go to Mali, you have Nigerian jollof rice, you have Ghanaian jollof rice. But for me, to be honest, the best jollof rice is the Senegalese jollof rice. To be honest, in my country we have it. In the Gambia we have our own jollof rice, but to be honest, Senegalese jollof rice is the best. So just to let you know that we are here in a Senegalese restaurant and we are about to have our meal. It's already been catered. Yeah, have a beautiful look of these guys. Wow, guys, look at the Senegalese jollof rice. This is a white jollof rice, yeah, and that is a cube. Bismillah. Mm. Wow, it's beautiful. It tastes really good. Like it's a little bit spicy and it's hot too. Yeah. Let me take another spoonful. Beautiful, guys. Area bi ban via la? Area bi boori fi ban via la? Waaw. Emilia. Ah, Emilia. Corso Emilia or via Emilia?
Corso Emilia.
Corso Emilia. Okay. So the restaurant is located at Corso Emilia. Yeah. It's a very popular Senegalese restaurant. If you come around here, you can anyone that you ask will show you the place. Yeah. Take a bit of cooking. Wow, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that chicken, guys. But she said don't work. Coba kan, apa sih sih bibi lah kan buat.
La constitution du Sénégal est très claire sur la question et de l'espace à opérer de prévention. Répétez la phrase une fois. L'ethnicisation du débat politique au Sénégal.
Oh my goodness. Kaya gibe ya kono rofle no. Esi se kono rofle, very nice. Wow, guys. Mbaa si see duma ko So guys, we are just from having Benachin. Yeah, that was a beautiful Senegalese meal. And we are now at the city center of Turin, and that is Piazza Castello. Yeah, I'm gonna take my friend around to show him around and show him all the beautiful things here. Yeah. So this is Adventures with Erazy.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want.
So guys, we are here in Piazza San Carlos. Yeah, so it's beautiful around here. People are just walking, I mean, having a nice moment. Yeah, you can also see tourists around. Beautiful. So what's next? I want to buy ice cream. Yeah, so we're gonna have ice cream now, and somewhere around here. There is no long queue. Okay, beautiful. So this is Adventures with Erazy, guys. Here in Turin. So guys, if you've actually been following my channel, you know that I actually love ice creams. Yeah, so we are here in Turin, and I'm about to buy ice cream, and it seems like there is a long queue here. Yeah, so we have it like 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I need to go in here.
5
No, va bene, niente, sì. So we're waiting for our turn. No, don't worry, no, wait, don't worry, boy. Yeah, we're waiting for our turn. So beautiful. It's completely milk. That flavor is completely milk. You can see it like gelato di latte, which means milk ice cream. Yeah, so it's completely milk. No, abbiamo chilometri, abbiamo chilometri. Okay. We're almost about to get there, guys. It's like only 3 people before us. Whoa, guys, so we're still waiting here. We're waiting for our turn. It's like we're almost there, yeah. Oh, wow. After these 2 ladies, it's our turn. So guys, I'm actually waiting for my turn. It's wow, that's so huge. Buongiorno. Sì. Gelato, ok, va bene. Per due persone, due.
Coni, coppe,
Ah?
coni
Sì, 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 no, no.
Coni?
Sì, 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 sì.
4
Per
euro.
tutti e due, 2 euro, ok, va bene.
4 euro.
4 euro. Posso pagare con la carta?
Sì?
Va bene. Un secondo. So guys, I'm paying.
Prego. Grazie.
Prego.
Ti lascio anche il buono per
Ah,
il birra Guinness
ok.
per prendere il negozio dopo il gelato.
Ok, va bene. Oh, grazie. Ok. Grazie.
A voi, buon proseguimento.
Boy, him fen konina. Nin kira jibo kon maybe ni parare bulo fedana. Hakala. Jambe ba fare na mbasila mun do. Wow, guys, look at that giant ice cream. Wow, it's completely milk. Wow. Milk flavor. Absolutely milk flavor. Beautiful. It tastes really nice. Oh. Wow. Can't believe it, guys. And it costs like €2, to be honest, It's really nice. One of these is €2. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. Beautiful, guys. Welcome to Turin, guys. Welcome to Turin. Welcome to Turin. Wow. Wow. So guys, we are at Piazza Castello and we are going to is it Piazza San Carlos? Yeah, so this is Adventures with Erazy, live and direct in Turin. Yeah, so the idea behind today's video is like a friend of mine visited me, so I'm really taking him around and showing him around, and we're just having a beautiful moment here. Yeah. Welcome to my channel. Oh, it's beautiful. It's not yet green. Some people don't just mind. They don't just mind. Okay, it's green now. We can walk. So this is how busy Turin is. Oh my goodness. It's extremely busy here. Galla ni sample video.
Andiamo a piedi.
Galla jam façon sample bi jam ma fa wala no. Ya.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So guys, this is the end of my tour here in Turin with my friend. Yeah, you've not been seeing his face on the camera because I actually need to respect his privacy, and he looks very shy, and you know what. So it's been really amazing. We had an amazing time here in Turin. Yeah, because you've all seen it. Like we had a very nice chef, like Senegalese Jollof rice, ice cream, and then we also stroll and explored Turin. Yeah, so this is such a beautiful moment here in Turin. Yeah, and thank you all. This is Adventures with Razy. If you're just new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.